Document 2 is another letter from Betsy Whitfield to her husband, but this letter shows a different side of her. She begins her letter by saying, "My dear husband, I cannot account for your absence in not writing once." She's dismayed because her husband hasn't written in 3 weeks. She goes on to talk about how she will be forced to believe something has happened to him if he does not respond soon. Basically, the whole letter, she's talking about it, how she's disappointed and how she knows a letter could get to her in 7 or 8 days. She's basically manipulating her husband to believe that if he doesn't write her soon, he doesn't love her. In this case, the manipulation is only for her to receive letters from her husband. In the case of the Epps family in 12 Years a Slave, Epps' wife manipulation caused him to do some terrible things, especially to Patsy. In Chapter 14, Epps' wife essentially uses the same technique as Betsy does in her letter, telling her husband that if he loved her, he would sell Patsy. Although he refuses to sell Patsy, he does flog her whenever his wife wants. These two cases are very different, but the technique of convincing their husbands to do something to prove their love is something these two women have in common.